Want to amp up your gaming and give your apps a little extra juice? Well, setting the graphics card performance preference to high performance mode can do the trick. And hey, if you're all about that battery life, this setting has your back too. And in this video, I'll go over both of these options. So let's start. Now to change the performance preference of your graphics card, first open up Settings. Then click on System from the left side menu. Next, click on Display. After that, scroll down and click on Graphics. And on this page, you'll find a list of apps you can adjust the graphics performance of. To make changes, just click on the app you want to tweak, then click on Options. Now this menu will pop up. From it, you can choose Let Windows Decide from here. This lets the operating system choose the performance preference it thinks is the best for this program. Or you can go with Power Saving. It keeps your device running smoothly while saving battery, which is handy for laptops. Or you can pick the high performance mode for the app, and it'll give you the best performance without any limits. After selecting your preferred performance preference mode, just click on Save and you're done. Oh, and if you don't find the app in the list, don't worry. Just hit Browse from here, then go to where the app is installed and double-click the program file. Now it will pop up in the list, and then you can tweak its performance settings as you like. Easy peasy. So that's how you change your graphics card's performance preference for individual apps in Windows 11. If the video was useful to you, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.